talking to me earlier today.
Jimmy, hey, talk with daddy. Hmm? Carter scared daddy, don't say that.
You don't look scared to me.
Daddy, they shooting gun na. You hold Carter.
What they do around here? Shoot guns. I think they do a pretty good job.
A lot of itching.
Yeah, they do a lot of that.
Read.
Laying in the grass, I think, is where all that comes from. Fleas and everything.
Have to shower this week for them.
Yeah, I saw a lady today, and I guess it was in Walmart. Oh my God, her boobs. He just wants both of them. They like that. Bigger. Where's the other one over here?
No have. Because Ginger, her teeth, he don't have teeth like her.
They both laid with me up there. You're on my. Why you gotta be on my foot? Huh? Why are you on my foot? Hey. You think that's cool, being on my foot?
What, Jimmy? Hmm? Look at Ginger. Oh, big mouth, Ginger. You have a long sleeve.